All right, Language Explorer. So let's look at today's word of the day. So, ascend with a silent C. Ascend. So let's get a picture of a mountain. Let's try and ascend. Okay, maybe not. Let's have a look. Mountain. Yeah. Oh, perfect. Yeah. Just like this. Any. Here we are. Ascend. Yeah, going up. Yeah. To go higher. To climb something. Yeah. I will ascend the mountain. I am training to ascend the hill. We will ascend up the stairs. Up the stairs. Let's try and get a picture. Stair. Oh. Okay, building then. Up the building. Yeah, this one. Up the building. We will ascend to the top of the building. We will ascend to the top of the building. Yeah. How cool is that? Ascend to the top of the building. How cool is that? Yeah. We're planning to ascend the ranks. Yes, so go from the very bottom of the hierarchy to the top to ascend the ranks. Yeah, to ascend the ranks, yeah. How did he ascend to the top? How did he ascend to the top? How are you going to ascend to the summit? Which way should we ascend? Which way should we ascend? Which way should we ascend? This way, that way? Ah, depends on things, yeah. How cool is that? Yeah. How cool is that? I ascended the mountain easily. Yeah. We think he will easily ascend to the top. Easily. Yeah. How cool is that? Yeah. He is always ascending some other hill. Yeah. So I have planned to ascend Ben Nevis in Scotland, the highest mountain in the UK. Yeah. How cool is that, Language Explorers? Yeah. How long do you think it will take him to ascend to the top? So he will spend a few hours ascending to the top of the mountain. Yeah. He wants to get to the top. He wants to ascend. He will ascend all the time. Bit by bit. He is slowly ascending to the top. Yeah. Bit by bit, he's slowly ascending to the top. How cool is that, Language Explorers? Yeah. Ascend, yeah. How cool is that? So, can you use ascend in a sentence? Can you write it in the comments below? And like the video, subscribe to the channel. More videos to come, more lessons to come. And you can find me on YouTube, Facebook and Telegram when you search for English with Adrian. Yeah. And you can find me on Udemy too by searching Adrian Nanchev. How cool is that, Language Explorers? Let's keep exploring.